A full-size luxury vehicle, the 2025 Genesis G90 is anticipated to go on sale later this year. It is the top model for Genesis and is meant to take on well-known luxury manufacturers like Audi, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. An estimated $91,000 is the starting price for the 2025 G90, KBB 2025 Genesis G90. A 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine with 375 horsepower and a plug-in hybrid alternative with an estimated 50-mile electric range are the two powertrain options available. High-end materials are anticipated to be used throughout the 2025 G90's opulent and roomy cabin. It is anticipated that all passengers will have plenty of head and legroom on the extremely comfy seats. Elegant and contemporary style. Robust and effective engines. Opulent and roomy interior. Advanced technological systems. Competitive cost. The 2025 Genesis G90 is undoubtedly a car to think about if you're looking for a full-size sedan that's gratifying and opulent. With a wonderful balance of design, comfort, technology, and performance, it provides a strong rival to well-known German and Japanese models. For buyers of premium cars, the Genesis brand has swiftly become well-known. The manufacturer's luxury large sedan, the G90, boasts a luxurious ride and a ton of standard features. Delightful extras like a Bang & Olufsen music system, wireless charging for gadgets, GPS, and a digital key that allows you to unlock and start the vehicle with a smartphone are included as standard features. Inside the cabin, you'll find premium materials and cozy seating for 5 persons. Second-row passengers will find ample comfort in the G90's spacious back seat, which makes it stand out among other cars in its class. Heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, and an 18-way power-adjustable driver's seat with a massaging function are among the standard comfort amenities in the cabin.